Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today we're going to make another traditional sweet dish. It's called maychay. So here I have all the stuff that you need to make the maychay. Plain flour, ghee, salt, sugar, cooking oil, and here I've got the mixing bowl, and I've got a measuring cup. Okay, so first we're going to do 1 cup of plain flour. You can use a standard chapati flour as well. We're going to use sugar, which is 1 teaspoon, and half teaspoon of salt. That's 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. We now mix it. So this traditional sweet spaghetti like is not unique to the Swat. It's also traditional to other parts of Pakistan. You now add the water to make a dough. So that's the dough. You rest it for 15 minutes. So it's been 15 minutes for the flour. And now you need to roll it. You could either do it the whole or make a small batches. So that's what you do. Cut a little piece and then you roll it like so and leave it aside. So that's all done, as you can see. Okay, so you now put it into the oil. Okay, when they get browned, golden brown like so, then they're done. So you take them out. Okay, so in a separate pan, you need some sugar. So here we got less than half cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water, and you need to melt this. Okay, so you let the sugar melt and get this foam, as you can see. And when you get to this stage, then you need to add the spaghetti with the maychay. And now you need to stir it. You need to stir this till they're dry, till the sugar is dry. As you can see, it's taking up the shape. You can see the sugars have now crystallized, and now it's done. As you can see, it came out really nice. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Still very hot. Let it cool down. Okay, so let's try try and see how it is. Nice and crispy. I think it needs a little bit of more time to get cold. Bismillah. MashaAllah. It's really nice. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed watching the making of Mechay. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share the video. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.